Hi, I'm Rai, Chief Information and Technology Officer of One of the biggest gaps I see in today's self-service cash and payment systems, both in the Philippines and globally, is that many solutions are still designed for ideal conditions, stable power, perfect connectivity, and controlled environments, when in reality they operate in the opposite. There is also a growing gap between modern digital payment platform and aging kiosk hardware and operating systems. While software is evolving quickly, many machines in the field cannot easily support secure updates, advanced encryption, or new performance requirements. There is still a disconnect between system design and actual user behavior. Interfaces can be confusing, error messages unclear, and recovery process slow, which impact user confidence, especially in cash and payment scenarios where trust is everything. Today's consumers compare kiosk and self-service machine with mobile apps and digital payments. So they expect transaction to be fast, always available, and absolutely secure. Many machines still struggle with latency caused by multiple system handoffs, network instability, and inefficient retry mechanism. Reliability issues often appear not as a total outage but as incomplete or stuck transaction that confuse users and erode trust. On the security side, expanding attack surfaces from device ports to remote access and cloud connections mean that without strong identity management, encryption, and continuous monitoring, self-service platforms fall behind the level of protections users now expect. I believe the biggest risk will come from the scale and interconnectedness of self-service networks. A single vulnerability can potentially affect thousands of machines at once, making cybersecurity incident more systematic rather than isolated. Operationally, fraud will become more sophisticated and fast-moving, while regulatory and compliance requirements around data privacy, auditability, and incident response will continue to tighten. From an infrastructure standpoint, increasing reliance on networks, cloud platforms, and third-party services means resilience, cost efficiency, and continuity of operations will be just as important as performance itself. Even with growing digital adoption, many businesses still struggle to integrate self-service solutions smoothly in their overall operations. Each biller, bank, or payment partner often uses different protocols, settlement processes, and service levels, which create complexity and operational friction. The most difficult part is usually not the successful transaction, but the exceptions, reversals, timeout, disputes, and reconciliation, where multiple departments such as IT, finance, customer service, and compliance must work together. Without unified processes and real-time data, these edge cases become costly and damage customer confidence. Scaling or modernizing legacy self-service platform is challenging because many of the systems were not originally built for nationwide or multi-thousand device operations. Architectural limitations, accumulated technical debt, and tightly coupled integration make change risky and slow. It also faces the pressure of maintaining 24/7 availability while introducing new features, security controls, and automation. Balancing stability with innovation requires strong platform engineering, standardized deployment and monitoring, and the right mix of skills in payment, infrastructure, security, and large-scale operations.